Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes the employee absences in the Data Analytics Reporting section. Using a manager or the Global Administrator user account, select Data Analytics Reporting on the left menu bar. Then select Employee Absences Data Analytics Report. The Select Department drop list will display the department or departments the manager manages. Proceed to select the department from this list. Then select the employee from the employee drop list. Select the start date range and the end date range. Which will include any applicable absence types in the date period of the selected absence types. Then proceed to select the absence types from the list checkboxes that you would like to inquire about. The Select All button will easily select all absence types. You can also clear your selection by clicking the Clear All button. After selecting the absence types, click the Update Chart button. The resulting chart will display applicable absent days by their absent types for the respective employee for the selected date range period. You can change the chart of data to another employee by selecting that employee in the employee drop list, then clicking the Update Chart button. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.